Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Cleo chat just sitting there typing forever or not responding to your messages at all? Here's the fix. Cleo's chat runs through an AI response system that occasionally loses its connection mid conversation, which shows up as a frozen typing indicator or a message that never sent. First, force close the Cleo from your recent apps completely from your and reopen it. Then start a new message rather than resetting the one that got stuck, since the stuck request is usually already abandoned on Cleo's end. If the chat response keeps freezing, go to your settings app and then go to general, scroll down to VPN and device management and turn off any VPN, since Cleo's chat connection frequently drops when routed through on a weak connection. A VPN address. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile signal strength in settings as well and switch to mobile data if you're on a weak connection. If the chat is still unresponsive after all of that, go to your settings again, go back to general, then go to iPhone storage, then scroll down and find Cleo to the list of apps and then offload it. Once offloading it, go to your app store, search for Cleo and reinstall it fresh from the app store to clear any corrupted data chat session. So all you've got to do is force close and restart a fresh message, turn off any VPN, check your connection and reinstall if it keeps happening. Cleo's chat respond again and that's it. Subscribe.